I spent the rest of the day trying not to cry at my desk. I just felt exposed.
A young mother says she dreaded going to work at a local university because the school refused to give her a private room to pump her breast milk. And in the past few hours, she filed a complaint with a state agency.
New at 6 o'clock, 10 News reporter Michael Chen is downtown with the reason that she says the school ignored her pleas for privacy.
She's a new mother working at a local university, and according to her complaint, when she complained about something, the school punished her by not allowing her to pump breast milk in private. Mary Lawmaster loves being a new mother. What she doesn't love is what happened when she went back to work.
I cried on the way to work all the time.
Her ordeal began soon after she started working as an admissions counselor at Ashford University's downtown office 2 years ago.
He said my legs looked really long.
She says her manager sexually harassed her on several occasions, forcing her to go to human resources. Less than a year later, she gave birth to her daughter, Madeline. She says she contacted HR and requested a private room to pump her breast milk as required by federal law. The school converted a storage room that could be accessed by badges. After returning to work, she says within a few days, someone walked in on her.
I felt horrible. I spent the rest of the day trying not to cry at my desk.
In the next 4 months, she says she was interrupted several more times. She says she contacted HR repeatedly and was told the landlord would not allow a lock on the door.
I feel like they saw me as kind of a nuisance, and they pretty much brushed me to the side.
Lawmaster hired attorney Dan Gillian, who sent a letter. She says a day later, the school agreed to attach a lock. Gillian says that shows they could have put a lock on at any time.
The bottom line is our society has said very clearly that pregnancy is not something that we're going to allow you to discriminate over.
Lawmaster says the company also wrote her up because she made the complaints. She just filed a complaint with the State Department of Fair Employment and Housing. A lawsuit is expected within a week. Michael Chen, 10 News.
A spokesperson for Ashford's parent company, Bridgepoint Education, said the school will not comment on pending personnel matters.